Hello scrappers, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick follow-up to a video I did a while back about scrapping out docking stations, laptop docking stations. I'm doing this in my office because it's raining cats and dogs outside. So the problem I had was I got a lot of docking stations on my last couple of scrap pickups from a big company I deal with. And I took some to the scrapyard. They didn't want them. Okay, they said, don't bring us any more. We don't want these. So I got to scrapping them out, just taking them apart, and getting the PC boards out of them, getting the ferrous and non-ferrous parts out of them, and stockpiling them. Okay. Well, finally yesterday I got a chance to go back to the same scrapyard, and I took the big pile of PC boards that I got out of all those docking stations. I took some other stuff too. I had a bunch of UPS backup batteries that were shot that I got from a scrap pickup. And I'll put a link to that scrap pickup. I got a lot of batteries on that pickup. I had some electric motors that I took, but I had a lot under miscellaneous items here. I hope that's showing up. Under miscellaneous items, that's all the PC boards. So, $76 I got for the PC boards. Now, the exact same guy was working the scale, who was working it today. He told me, we don't want any of these docking stations. They're no good to us. They're worthless to us. Don't bring us any. But he was happy enough to take the PC boards from them and pay me money for them. So, that's where micro scrapping can come in handy. Where, you got something that the scrapyard doesn't want, but there's bits and pieces in it that the scrapyard will take. So, and I still have all the ferrous and non-ferrous stuff that came out of them. I didn't take that to the scrapyard yet. I'm still accumulating. I'll wait till I got a bigger load and I'll take that over there. So, not a big payout at the scrapyard, but I made a little bit of money, and I made some space in my workshop. Got rid of those boxes full of PC boards that had been sitting around. Got rid of all those batteries that had been sitting around and a few electric motors. So, yeah. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you this little follow-up to that earlier video, and micro scrapping can pay off, even though it's kind of tedious and a pain in the butt. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you found this a little bit interesting. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see future videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.